Okay, this is 2024, paper number 2. Okay, question number 1. Darren buys car initially at $35,000. The value of the car decreases by 15% in the first year. Number, find the value of the car at the end of the first year. So Darren buys car initially $35,000. And then at the end of first year, the value decreases by 15%, right? So it's going to be 0.85. So 35,000 US dollars times 0.85. So the answer is $29750. B, find the after the first year, the value of the car decreases by 11 years, which happens after first year. In each subsequent year, find the value of the Darren's car in 10 years after he buys it, giving you answer to the nearest dollar. So we need to find the value of the car after 10 years, right? So question number B. Initially, Darren buys a car. The price is $35,000 when he buys it. So at the fourth year, the value of the Darren's car decreases, so it becomes $29750. And the second year is going to be $29750 times the value about 11% each year, so it's going to be 0.89. So it's going to be third year 29750 times another 0.89 multiplication, so it's going to be 0.89 squared, like this way. So we need to find 10th year, so it's going to be 29750 times, we can find 0.89er. So this value here is one number less than that number. So it's going to be, because it's a 10th year, so it's going to be 9th power over here. So 9 power. So you can easily see that at the end of that year, this is times, this is to the 1/4 power. This is to the 2nd power. So this should be to the 9th power. So the answer after 10th year, the price of the car will be 29750 times 0.89er to the 9th power. So 29750 times 0.89er to the 9th power. So it's going to be to the nearest dollar, so it's going to be $10423. So see that when the Darren has owned the car for the n complete years, the value of the car is less than 10% of its original value. Find the least value of n. See, his car for n complete years. So the price of the car after n complete years will be, as you see here, will be this kind of format, right? So it's going to be 29750 times 0.89er n complete years. So it's going to be 0.89er to the n minus 1 power. This price is less than 10% of its original value. Less than 10%, so it's going to be $35,000, 0.1. So we need to find the answer for this inequality. How we do that? So we go to graph. We can graph out this one. So 29750 times 0.89er to the x minus 1 power, and then this 35, then this value can come to the left side, so it's going to be minus 35,000 times 0.1. So we need to find this value is less than 0. So go to graph. Yeah, you can find this value over here, but the easiest way, we go to second table. You see, you have to find the first n value, which is less than 0. So you just see it's the 19th, after 19th year, the difference the car is $152, and the 20th year becomes negative $250. See, so we can see that the smallest number n is 20.